Hey guys, Silverbacked here with another video where I help investors align their portfolio with the market trend. I come out with a new report every 5 days, and it's a nice time frame. It's not quite a week, so we're sort of like we're front running those people that are taking action perhaps sometimes on a weekly basis. And it's not such a small time frame that we have to change our positions and move around assets all the time. So essentially, like as I said, I'll be running through the top 20. So starting with what I've got in my sold column and also my my bought column, and these add up to a total of 20 assets. And then obviously I'll apply those changes to the bot that mirrors my trades, and then I'll share that link with you, or the QR code with you. So if you wanted to grab those settings and just go deposit, and it does it automatically, then you can do that too. So starting with XRP. I'll just make sure, basically, if you want to do this yourself, the idea is to, I'll obviously teach you what I'm doing as well. You want to use Fibonacci candles on a 5-day chart. If you can't get 5 days on your chart, you might have to upgrade your trading view, or you can subscribe. There's a thing down the bottom. You can subscribe for free down to my Substack, where you'll get a free alert to your email whenever I go live. So with XRP, we're basically we've been holding that, and then we sold it over here on the 7th of October. We sold it at it's actually higher than when we sold it. We sold it at 52 cents, and it's now 54. But you know, it's still printing red candles, so I'm not really interested in jumping into it unless we see some green at least. And then I'll just put a stop loss below it, but I'm not really ready to chance it. Based on that data anyway. Ton coin, again, we got stopped out on the 7th of October again, and then we've been staying out of it because we haven't seen a green candle since. Cardano, we got stopped out with a green candle actually, but we can actually, now that this, obviously I ignore this last candle, as if you've been watching me for a while, you know that this candle means nothing. There's only like 4 minutes worth of information or data in that out of 5 days. So the second last candle is green, so what I will do is I'll be buying Cardano. I'll be buying Cardano and then putting a stop loss just below this bottom wick, because we now do have green. So I'll just move this down to here, and did I check Chainlink? Chainlink, that's in our sold column because we sold out again on the 7th of October. We've now printed a green candle, so I will be buying that and putting a stop loss just below it. As I go through this, you can pause the video. You can see where this orange line is my stop loss, so you can read exactly what price I'm setting it at. And so Chainlink is going to go into the bought column. There you go. Now, what is already in the bought column? Let me just move some of this stuff out of the way so I can just see it a bit clearer. So this is SUI. It's been going very well. It looks like it's slowing down momentum with the last candle it just printed. So I am holding along on that. So I'll be watching that to make sure that I don't I can close out in profit if it does go down sharply. But you know, we have had some pretty sharp declines in SUI, but it has been trending. When it does go up, it doesn't go up for quite a while. Anyway, that aside, I'm still gonna say I'm not gonna bring my stop loss closer, mainly because we don't need to. There is we got in down this level here. So far, our position has made 124%, and there's no wick below here. Now, if this turns into a red wick, comes down and wicks down, and then goes to the next candle in another 5 days, then I'll look and see what happens there. If there's no wick below it, I'm not bringing my stop loss closer. So this is allowing me to actually have really wide stops. Also, the next one will be, so essentially we're staying in SUI, and there's a pretty wide stop. Bitcoin, Again, we're going to be staying in that one. There's a very wide stop, which is specifically just underneath this wick here, which is 58,625. Sorry, I've been playing around with some of these charts, so I might have removed some stuff. AVAX is still in the green. However, it has printed a wick, so from where we got in, we're going to be moving that up, so to lock in those profits below the area, and staying in it. And the stop loss is $26.52 now. Just trying to see where we've been holding that from. Yeah, we would have got knocked out here, then we got back into here. So yeah, that's just inching up. Ton is still in the green, but I will be moving that stop loss up to just below that wick there. So it's 15.44 cents. Aptos is actually that's a recent addition actually, so we only just bought that, so I haven't set up anything on it, but it looks like I got in there on the 12th of October. That's not doing too bad. From there till up there is 7%. That's doing well. And then what I'll do is I'll bring up my stop loss below this little wick down here, and it's a pretty wide stop on that one. So Aptos is doing good. I think it just regained the top 20 and knocked out something, Pepe, I think. So yeah, Aptos has been doing very well behind the scenes, as you can see here. It's been attracting a lot of TVL. OKB. Now OKB, we do have a red candle. We got in like way earlier down here. I would I'm just trying to think. I would be putting adjusting my stop up to here, and that should have knocked us out. So yeah, I should be out of OKB before it's continuing on down there. So that might have been an oversight. So again, this is how you check it all. So I want you guys to be doing this yourself as well, because I'm doing it manually. So I'll probably sell. I'll get out of OKB until we get a green candle. Dot. So Dot is going well. I will be moving the stop loss up to underneath this week, which is basically $4.13. Staying in it. Solana, you got a little bit of a wick down there. I don't care whether it's a small wick or a big wick. I'll be moving my stop loss closer. So that is now $146.57. Goes below that, I'll sell it. Bitcoin Cash, it's actually smoothly going up. There's no hesitation in the price indecision, so I'll leave the stop loss at 314.68. Ethereum, again, I don't see any hesitation in the price in Ethereum. It's going to continue to rise based upon what I see here, so there's no reason to have a close stop. So it's 2,415.90 cents. US dollar, this is the DXY. I've just got it mixed in my charts here just so I can sort of have a glance at it. This is a regular thing is what I do. I'll go down to a daily, and go to normal candles. Yeah, it's sort of like that's where I've sort of drawn out that I thought it would go. It's pretty yeah, we just don't know when it's going to start heading down. So anyway, so that's over there. Back to Hakanashi. It looks like it's got more room to go up, which will put downward pressure on the crypto market. Binance, BNB, that's going good. There is a bit of a wick here, which I'll move my stop loss up a little bit. Missed that too. Sorry, I must have, I must have missed that. I should have moved that stop a little bit closer. It's 5.60 cents now. No harm, no foul. Litecoin, again, I would move that stop loss closer. So $63.62 is Litecoin. Near Protocol, I would probably move this up closer. It is red. We don't know what's going to happen next. So yeah. So Near Protocol it's got a stop loss of $4.59. It hasn't stopped out yet, so still in it. And Dogecoin has broken out big time. So I'll put a little marker as far as where its next resistance level is. One of these. So really, it's sort of up here. If we can get above that sort of level, it'd be pretty cool. We might have another breakout. Cool. So yeah, Doge is going really well. And again, the stop loss level is just down here. So I'm just deleting this and redoing it because my I thought I was doing my stop loss levels a little bit finer. SHIB's going good. However, let me just drill into the detail here. So yeah, we do have a wick here. So I lift it up here, and I'd lift it up here as well. You can see just there's a wick just below that. So I would have, you can see, take note, that's 401742 for SHIB, and that's still something we're holding. So that's basically how I'm going to adjust the portfolio. If you want to see how am I doing for time, I can probably just do the portfolio straight away. What I'll do is I'll just make sure you sub to the Substack link below, and I'll make sure that I'll put out the barcode for the new settings I'll apply to the bot. If you just want to do like one click deposit and then all these settings apply to you, you can do that with Pionex. They're a Singaporean. If you're not aware, they're a Singaporean company, so that jurisdiction does not mess around. It's not like Seychelles or Bahamas and all that sort of hoo-ha, supplying the donations to the Democratic Party and all that sort of rubbish. They're actually their actual economy is going up, up and to the right. So and so is their freedom. So very secure. But yeah, so that all that'll be in the link below. Thanks for joining, and and going through the charts with me, and I'll see you in exactly 5 days' time.